So I'm going to be doing a split screen test on the Motorola Razr Plus. Now, I just got this phone in, and split screening is a feature I always use on phones, so I'm just going to see how it works. But basically, to split screen, you just have to have some open tabs, and then at the top, you're going to see the logos for these different tabs and apps. And I'll use YouTube as an example for the first one here. You're going to see a split option, so really just need to click on that, and we'll go with the Play Store as a second option. Now, here we are, and I gotta say, it definitely looks very similar to doing it on a Samsung phone. You can kind of just maneuver the screen a little bit. Should work here in both portrait and landscape. Looks like we have a little icon in the top right-hand corner. Yep, there we go. Okay, so yeah, I mean, pretty cool. You can make the screen a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, and then if you want to make it, just one size, you can do it that way. Now, I'm going to do another example, and you should be aware when you try to do split screening, it doesn't always work for everything. That's just how it is a lot of the time. But, we'll use YouTube as another example here. But if I wanted to open a game like Alto's Odyssey, which I'm trying to do right now, a little notification comes up saying, sorry, doesn't work with this app or game. So, yeah. So I will say that, it might actually be a little bit better on a Samsung phone because you can usually play games and have something open on the split screen there, but apparently here, that is not the case. Anyways, like I said, just testing this out, just got this phone in, so we're going to be putting out a lot more videos on it. This is a very cool phone, by the way. You got that cover display that's a lot bigger. It's the full display. 3.6 inches on this OLED. Just super cool phone so far. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed a little update here. As always, thanks for watching this one, and we will see y'all in the next video.